Hello students. Our today's topic is research hypothesis. Let's move on. A hypothesis is an educated guess about a problem's solution. It can be defined as a logically conjectured relationship between two or more variables expressed in the form of testable statements. Following are some example of hypothesis. Officers in my organization have higher than average level of commitment. Level of job commitment of the officers is positively associated with their level of efficiency. Descriptive hypothesis contains only one variable, thereby it is also called as univariate hypothesis. Descriptive hypotheses typically state the existence, size, form, or distribution of some variable. Let's take an example. Officers in my organization have higher than average level of commitment. It only shows the distribution of the level of commitment among the officers of the organization, which is higher than average. These are the propositions that describe the relationship between two variables. The relationship could be non-directional, or directional, positive, or negative, causal, or simply correlational. For example, level of job commitment of the officers is positively associated with their level of efficiency. Correlational hypotheses states that variables occur together in some specified manner without implying that one causes the other. For example, level of job commitment of the officers is positively associated with their level of efficiency. There is a positive relationship between marriage rates and suicide rates. Both hypotheses show that only there is some relationship exists between the two variables, but it cannot be concluded that which variable affects and which variable is affected. Formulatory hypotheses imply the existence of, or a change in, one variable causes or leads to a change in the other variable. This brings in the notions of independent and the dependent variables. For example, increasing marriage rates has significant impact on suicide rates. In cause and effect case, it is concluded that marriage causes suicide. Hypothesis simply states that there is no relationship between the variables, or the relationship between the variables is zero. For example, there is no relationship between the level of job commitment and the level of efficiency. The alternative hypothesis simply states that there is a relationship between the variables. For example, there is a relationship between the level of job commitment and the level of efficiency.